Welcome to maths. What are we learning about? Don't say karate. We are learning about... Hi! What are we learning about? We're learning about... Did you say karate again? No, halving. Okay, yesterday you were halving food for me and my brother and cutting and drawing a very neat line with a ruler. Well done. That was very fair and very equal. It has to be fair, it has to be equal. Today I'm going to show you how to halve some Numicon. I'm going to use my karate skills, but it's taken years of training, so you might not be able to do it like me, but I'll show you a different way. Are you ready? First, I'm going to halve number 8. Watch this. Okay, number 8. We are going to use our karate to cut it in half. Are you ready? Hi-ya! It's in half, straight down the middle. So, number 8, half of 8, when you cut it in half, 1, 2, 3, 4, is 4. 4 for me, 4 for my brother. Half of 8 is 4. Let's try number 6. Here's number 6. Are you ready for karate? Hi-ya! Let's have a look. Half of 6 is 1, 2, 3. 3 for me, 3 for my brother. We both get how many each? 1, 2, 3. 3 each. Half of 6 is 3. Let's try number 2. Here's number 2. Number 2. If I chop this in half, how much do you think is half of 2? Shall we see if you're right? Hi-ya! Ooh, half of 2 is 1. Did you say 1? Well done. 1 for me, 1 for my brother. Half of 2 is 1. When you chop number 2 in half, it makes 1. Half of 2 is 1. Well done. Now, because I've been studying karate for years and I'm obviously a black belt, that's why it's quite easy for me to karate chop Numicon in half. But when I was your age, this is how I used to do it. In your patch you've got some Numicon, and just like the food, there is a little red dot for you to line up to chop them in half. Let's try that. So we don't need to worry about the numbers, so I might as well use this side, that's fine. But just remember I need to line up the top and the bottom carefully. Oh, they keep moving. Just take your time, Mrs. Stone. Okay, I think that's in place. I'm going to hold that steady with this hand. Hi-ya! 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 And I've chopped the Numicon in half. So it was a 10 piece, Daddy 10. But I've chopped it in half, and now on this half, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then over on this half, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So half of 10 is 5. What will half of this one be? Let's chop it up. Half of 4. Half of 4 is 1, 2. Half of 4 is 2. You have got another sheet of work to do once you've chopped everything up. This is asking you for some information. It's asking you what half of 10 is. Half of 10, that's easy, we've just done it. I find Daddy 10 is, this one, Daddy 10. Half of Daddy 10 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's easy, we've just done that. So I need to just record in here that half of 10 is 5. The next question, half of 6 is, so I need to find 6. Can you see Super 6 anywhere? There's Super 6. Let's chop it in half. Line up your ruler. Hiya, hiya, hiya. Half of 6 is, let's count this side, 1, 2, 3. So I know that half of 6 is 3. And you've got to record them all the way down. Do you think you can record in that column all of the halves? So do you think you can do your karate halving and use your ruler to chop them in half, hiya, and record what half of that number is? Before you do that, you may have done this already, but you've got counting and recording to 20 again. Take your time, cross them off if you need to, and then record your total. Make sure your numbers are the right way round. Well done everybody, you're doing very well learning about halving. So now, Mr. Eastwood has got a chocolate cake in the staff room, and I'm going to chop it in half and eat half. Don't tell him if you see him. See you tomorrow.